Hi guys. So today I'm going to share to you some features about Microsoft Outlook, or sorry, Microsoft 365. If you can see here, we have the Microsoft Office that has different features or application where you can use, and it has different functions. So we're going to discuss each one of them and we'll learn further. Okay, so let's start with the MS Outlook. So this MS Outlook is just like a Gmail. So it's an email base or email portal where you can send email. You can set up an email. You can receive, and also you can set up your plans in there. So it serves the purpose of both a standalone application and also a multi-user software. So it can be an app or a web base. So you can use also it is used also by individual as an email client server, and also by organization, which requires shared feature like a mailbox, calendar, appointments, and etc. So this is when you open the Outlook, it would look like this. And the main functions for this is it makes communication easy, and sending emails is just a click away. So just like a Gmail, but this is like a different. Microsoft Office is a different additional software that you can use if you have too much data already saved in Gmail. So you can use MS Outlook to send email and to receive emails and to do other stuff there. So it's an organizing and managing application, provides feature to set up appointments and meeting using calendar as setting up reminders. And all mails sent or received can easily be tracked. And for organization, setting up activity as a team is easy with Outlook. You can easily share and collaborate with other members of your team or group. Similar mails are interlinked automatically, which forms a mail thread of such email. So for students or for organizations or at work, you can you easily use MS Outlook is very helpful for us. Let's now move on to the OneDrive. So it is an internet-based storage platform with a significant chunk of space offered for free by Microsoft to anyone with a Microsoft account. So all you just need to have is to have a Microsoft account, and you will have access to MS Outlook and OneDrive, where you can have enough space or you can have additional space to save some information. It does what all the other cloud storage services do. It gives you a place to put your files on the internet. So just like this one, OneDrive allows you to save photos, to save music, work files, and any important information that you'd like to save. You can use this OneDrive. So the functions and feature for this is access and edit your files on all your devices. As long as you're logged into your Microsoft account, you can use different device, and you can just log into that one, and you will be able to see the files that was saved in the other computer, or for example, or in the other device. You can access that one in different device. So it can keep your files protected in the cloud, share documents or photos, and collaborate in the office, quickly organize and find things that matter. So that is really helpful for us. Now let's move on to the OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. So this is a simple, it's like a notebook in your own digital, or in a digital form. So OneNote is your very own digital notebook. It looks like a notebook, but it is inside in the computer. So whether you have a million ideas, a million things to do, or a million things to remember, OneNote is the perfect app for capturing pretty much anything. So you don't have to write things there formally. You can just drop whatever message you'd like to put there, and as a reminder, or anything that you'd like to write, just like your own personal notebook. You can write anything there. Alright, so this is how it looks like when you open your OneNote. So there are options here. There are this is like one page, another page, or this is like pages in the OneNote. Okay, and you can write different things in different pages. Okay, so with OneNote, You can also record, type notes or record audio at your laptop, sketch or write ideas on your tablet, add picture from your phone, find notes instantly, freely move notes around the page, organize those pages into sections, keep your sections in one or more notebooks, switch devices and pick up right where you left off, share your notebooks with others so you can all view and contribute at the same time. So there are notes that you can share with other users of OneNote, and there are also, if you like to keep others in private, you can definitely do that. Okay, now let's go to the SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint is to create websites. Okay, so Microsoft 365 has this option, or has this feature where they allow you to create a website inside the Microsoft. It can be used as a secure place to store, organize, share, and access information from any device. SharePoint can refer to one or more SharePoint products or technologies. So there are other products or sub-products that SharePoint has. Okay, but before going there, let me just share to you the SharePoint picture, or how it looks like when you open your SharePoint. So SharePoint has the SharePoint in Microsoft 365. It's a cloud-based service hosted by Microsoft. And then it has a SharePoint server, SharePoint designer, OneDrive sync. So there are options that you can do in SharePoint. So it is secure. It helps organizations be more collaborative. It can help automate mundane tasks. So to simplify your work, to make it easy, you can use SharePoint. Now let's go to the Microsoft Teams. It is a cloud-based team collaboration software that is part of Microsoft 365, and it is the ultimate messaging app for your organization, a workplace for real-time collaboration and communication meetings, file and app sharing, even the occasional emoji. In one place, all in one place, all in the open, all accessible to everyone, and especially useful for remote collaboration, because it keeps dispersed teams or workers connected and communicating. So wherever you are, as long as you have access to your Microsoft Teams, you'll be able to join meetings, you'll be able to connect with your workmates who are in the office while you are at home. So those are some of the things that you can do. So messaging, chat, calling, video calling, sharing audio and files for presentation is available for Microsoft Teams. That's how this Microsoft Teams looks like. So these are all about for this presentation. But before I end this, so I'm going to share to you the real look of Microsoft Office. So this is my Microsoft Office, though I haven't really explored this one here in my personal computer. I'm using Microsoft 365 a lot at work in the office, but here I'm not really using this much. But this is how it looks like. You have the Teams here, and you will be routed here when you have the Teams, and also you can open it separately, but until now it's still loading because my laptop is a bit slow. But this is how it looks like. You just have to search a name of a person here, and you can share, you can video call, you can present a PowerPoint there also. Then this is the we have the OneNote, and this is how it looks like. We have the OneNote here, and this is how it looks like. So I can create notes here, I can create pages, and I can insert, draw, many options that I can do. So OneDrive, this is my OneDrive. I haven't done anything or added any files in there, but this is how my OneDrive looks like. Alright, so another one is Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. Okay, yeah, this is my Microsoft Outlook. So sorry, it's in Thai because my laptop was original from Thailand. But yep, so that's how it looks like. So whenever I receive an email, it will be here. I can create a new message, and I can schedule a meeting here also, which will be linked to the other feature. So very helpful, Microsoft 365. If we can use this one, that will really help us. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a good day.